Okay. Maybe you slept late. Did you sleep late?
Probably.
No problem, dear. Try to freshen up because we are studying math and you need to be alert. All right? Okay, Dana, give a pause. Other who's here with me? Judy is here. Okay, Judy,
Yeah.
good morning, dear.
Hi. Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
How was your day yesterday?
I'm here.
Are you feeling still sleepy?
No, but I'm just like
Did you do something for math yesterday? Did you get your book?
no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So we finished yesterday one thing. Did you complete with me in the class?
Miss, I have the book.
Okay, Dana, listen. Maintain one copybook where you practice daily what question I do in the class. Okay?
Okay.
Please practice the same question at your home. You will hardly spend 10 to 20 minutes doing that, but it will make you fast. Now, let me start my class with timetables. As I told you yesterday, I was facing problems. You are not prompt, you all are not prompt at giving me replies. So timetable for 6 and 7, this week we are gonna revise 6 and 7. Then next week, 8 and 9, like that.
Miss 9, I know it.
I know you know it. Let me ask you all. Judy, 7 times 8?
7 times 8 is 56.
7 times 6?
It's 42.
6 times 9?
54.
Good, excellent. Alhamdulillah. Judy, I'm satisfied. Next, Dana,
Yeah.
6 times 4?
What?
6 times 4? So today your work is the whole day. You're gonna sit with the timetable for 6. Play with that, study, and then play again, study, okay?
Miss, I don't know. Miss, I don't know 6, 7, and 8. Yes.
Inshallah, this week I will make you perfect. Inshallah, inshallah, okay? So what is your work? You write down the timetable of 6 and 7 on a paper. Keep that paper with you the whole day, wherever you go. And someone to ask you from middle. Don't, yani, 6, 12, no. I want from the middle. 6, 5, 30. 6, 8, 48, like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will not ask you now. Noor? Noor, good morning. Hello?
So I think her
Mike, okay, no problem. Dishan, 6 times 8? 6 times 8?
Miss, I can't hear you. What did you say?
6 times 8?
48.
Very good. 6 times 9?
54.
7 times
Yeah.
6?
Side 42.
Very good. Means you remember it.
I remember it. I don't remember all.
Don't worry. You have to do 6 and 7 perfectly this week. All right? Now, yesterday, what did I teach you? What did I tell you? Which decimal? You remember we divided the small number with the big number, putting point and 0. We did that yesterday, right?
Yeah.
We divided, see, I'll go to the previous page. We divided the small number with the big number and we got this. What was the remainder yesterday when we were doing? What was the remainder?
14.
No. What was the remainder yesterday when we were solving all the questions? What was the remainder?
0.
0. So when you get a remainder as a 0, what is it called as? Is it a repeating decimal?
No.
What was that word with T?
It's I forgot.
Judy, do you remember that word? Noor. Okay, Noor, mic is not working. Judy, you remember the word? Or Dana? It's called as? Yeah, very good, Noor. I have seen the message. Excellent. Girls, it's called with TE.
What is terminal?
Excellent. Terminating decimal. Because something that ends with 0, it's terminated. Okay, terminating. Now this question. A class votes on whether to change their school. How can you express the number of students in favor of a new mascot in a decimal form? 5 and 18. You have here 5 and 18. Let us do and see. 5 and
18.
18.
you need to do with me, Miss Zishan. 5 and 18. Yes, Zishan. Come on.
What would I do?
Take
I divide.
a pen. Be ready with your rough work. 5.
Um,
5 and
and 8. 18.
Guys, better I show you on a video. Let us see that you can do this or not. Wait a second, let me first pause my recording. All right. So it is 5 divided by 18.
18.
5 is a small number. What am I?
This number.
I'm putting
You
a
put a
point
decimal.
above 5. I'm putting a point above 5 and I'm putting a 0 here. Now,
Miss,
I will try. Yes?
why do we put like a point above 5?
Because it's smaller than 18.
Like example here, Dana, if I take 230 and here it is 750. This is a big number. I cannot divide 230 with that. So I put a point above the after 3 numbers and I put here 0. Got it?
Okay.
And then I start my doing it. So similarly, I put a point above 5 and then I put a 0 here. Now let me try with 18 times 4. 72. It's become big. So let me try 18 times 3. Again, it's become big. Let me try 18 times 2. Yes. 18 times 2 give me 36.
36.
Now, when I minus it, I get 1, 4, but still 14 is smaller to 18. 14 is smaller to 18, so I need to put 1, 0. Girls, this 0 did not come from up. This 0 is because of this point. When you put a point here, that means I'm allowed to put zeros when the number is small. I mean, sorry, the number is bigger than the divisor. Clear?
Clear.
Don't understand. Stop me. Disha, did you understand this point?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, 18 times what gives me 140? Let me check. Of course, it has to be less than 10 because 18 times 10 gives me 180. So I cannot take 18 times 10. I take 18 times 9 and check. 9 times 8 is 72. 162. Even this is big. So let me check. 18 times 8. 144. Oh my God.
102.
So I have to take 56. 7 times 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 126. 18 times 7 gives me 126. If I subtract it, I get 14. See, again I get 140. That means again I have to take 18 times 7.
Do not stop, MS.
It will not repeat, it will repeat. You will always get 14, 14, 14 as a remainder. So I stop it here. What I do is I stop, and you know, I told you yesterday that before a point always has to be
0.
0.
0. So what is my quotient?
0.
Is
Point
0.27. Girls, above this 7, I need to put a line, which means this 7 is repeating always. That's why I stopped here. And
Okay.
this type of quotient where repeating remainder, repeating or repeat
Remainder.
number, what is it called as? It is called as which kind? 1 second, please.
Repeating remainder.
No. What is, just a second, guys. This is called as, share, let me share my screen now. Okay. This is called as repeating decimal. What is it called as? Repeating
Repeating
what I solved was here. What I solved was here already. What
Yes.
this is okay if I'm explaining you in the book?
Yeah.
Much better, right?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to explain on the board?
In the yearbook.
Book is better?
Yeah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now, they're asking you, explain whether each of the following is a rational number. First of all, girls, the decimal terminates. What does it mean, decimal terminates?
It will be 0.
Decimal terminate means that, yeah. So decimal terminates, so this is called a rational number. Now, the digit 8 and 1 repeats. Here, when you see the digit 8 and 1 will repeat in the, what you call as an answer. So, infinitely. So, this is also a rational number. Now, here, the decimal does not terminate and the digit does not repeat. Even they do not terminate and even they do not repeat. You get a remainder and you solve it, and then finally you get a remainder and the remainder is not repeating. And you get an answer. Maybe you got some answer like this. All different. It is not repeating. So what does this mean? This is not a rational number. I want to make this clear. If it is repeating or if the remainder is 0, then only it is called a rational number. Then only the decimal is called a rational number. Or else the decimal, whatever the quotient you got, that is not a rational number. Who understood perfectly?
I understood.
Understood? Like yesterday I solved, I got the remainder as 0. Today I solved, I got a repeating decimal. Now, alhamdulillah, thank you, Noor. So, but now, if we are solving some question where you don't get a 0 and you don't get a, repeating decimal, that you say this is not a rational number. Okay? Now,
Okay.
when you see 0.3 and you get a line here, what does this line mean up to the number? It means it is repeating. It means
Repeat it.
repeating. That means, is it a rational number? Yes. When you see the number like
Yes.
3.14, 1441, 14441, 1441, the decimal value repeats 0.30. But this one, it does not terminate or repeat. Girls, is it repeating exactly? See here. How many fours?
No.
4, 1. Then you have 3, 4, 4, 1. Then you have 4, 4, 4. It's not repeating. It is not repeating. So it's not a rational. When you look at it, when you look at it for the first time, you think, yes, teacher, it is repeating. But see, 1, 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 4. It's not same. Is it same?
No.
No. So that means it is not a rational number. I hope you got this. And now, you're going to solve with me.
Miss, today my mom is going to take the books.
Inshallah, dear. Very good. Now, girls, I want you to solve with me this one. Now, I will give the first question to Dishan, the second to Judy, the third to Majduleen, and the fourth to Noor bin Mahfouz. Come on. Once again, Dana
Miss, I
and
can't. Miss, I can't see. There is the. Oh yeah. Okay. Yalla.
Like a window thing.
I will write here if you want 7/20. Just a second.
Miss, why me no?
Huh?
Which is it?
I'm giving you Dana. Dana will also do 1/18.
Which one I am? I can't. Which one I am? Number 2?
Number 2, minus 23/20.
That's what I can't see.
Okay, I will write up here. Wait a second. 7/20. This is for Vishan. Next, minus 23/20. This is for Judy. Next, 1/18. 1/18. This is for Dana and Majduleen. 1/18. And for Noor, 60 and 20. 60/22. Don't forget there's a minus sign. When you see a minus sign, either in the numerator or in the denominator, the answer will be, whatever answer you get, you just put minus sign to the answer, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Noor, can I get it? Yes, you can take your time, Noor. I'm waiting for you. Any help, girls? Okay, 7.
Frak. No. Yeah. 7 and then 20. 7. Yeah. 7 here and 20 on the other side.
Okay, so I just put a point here. Okay, and
Then you put a 0. 0. Or
One.
0 over the 7.
Yeah. No. Yes. Again, 20.
No, it's 20.
7 and 20. You'll put a point
Yeah.
and 0 here. Then here you'll
Then I put
times 60, and then I
yeah.
get.
10.
But see, 10 is smaller again. So you have this point. You can put one more 0 here. So directly we get 20 times 5 is 100. This is called 0.35. The quotient is 0.35, and this is a terminating decimal. Understood?
Yeah.
Now, who's the next one? Judy, what is your question?
I'm not doing it.
Tell me the question at least.
It's minus 23/20.
Over 20?
Yeah.
Okay. See how I'm solving it?
Yeah.
Minus 23 over 20. Of course, I need to put a point and 0. Forget about this minus, Jyoti. Later we will see, okay?
Yeah.
I put point and I put 0. So 20 times what can I take? If I take 10, no.
Okay.
I can directly take, without point, I can directly put, see, 23 and 20. This is bigger number. I can take 1 and 23, correct?
Yeah.
Now I can put here point. I got it. How can it? I think the question is wrong.
Yeah, I was really confused.
No, I got 3. I got remainder as 3 and then I put a 0. 20 times 1 is 20. It's
I'll
10.
go to
And then one more 0 I can put.
Miss.
Yes, Judy.
I will go to the bathroom.
Okay, see here. This is 23. That means 20 times 1, 20. What is remainder?
Yeah. 33.
3. I put one more 0 with this point. I take a point here, I put a 0 here. 30. 20 times 1 again is 20. What is left? 10 is left. But 10 is smaller to 20.
So add 0.
0 here.
Yeah.
20
Yeah.
times 5 gives me 100. The answer is, the remainder is 0 and answer is 0.15. That means this is called a
Then we put the minus.
here.
Then we
Terminating.
put the minus.
Girls, others, you can copy it. This is question number 2. Is it 2? What is question number 3?
You said Dana and Majduleen.
Dana and Majduleen. What was your question?
Dana going to the bathroom and Majduleen, she just entered and I don't
Give me
think
the
she
third
knows.
question.
So I don't know the question.
Who has the book with you?
I don't have. I said today my mom's going to take it.
I will see on the screen. Wait a minute. It's 1 over 18. It's 1 over 18, girls. One over 18. That means, what will I do? I'll put a point above 8 and I will put here, sorry, it's this way. I will put a point above and put 0 here. Can it be possible?
No.
No, so I put a 0 here. Now is it possible? 18 times what gives you 100?
18 times 2, I think.
2? It's a very small.
No.
I tried,
I-
I tried a lot before with 18. See, all I did here, 18. 100.
Okay.
I cannot take 18 times 3. I cannot take 18 times 4, 72. 18 times 5. 18 times 5, I did not do it. 18 times 6, where did I do 18 times 6? Let me try 18 times 5. Yeah, 18 times 5 is 90. So I can try 18 times 5 is 90. That gives me 10 again. Again, I need to take 18 times 5. That gives me 90. Same thing, girls. So this means I have 0.05 and put a line above it. That means it's a repeating decimal. And here, don't forget to put minus sign. Don't forget to put a minus sign, girls. So this is a repeating decimal. Is it a rational number?
No. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, number 4. Guys, number 4 I will do in my, no, we have more 3 minutes, right?
Yes.
I am back.
Badri, we're done for your question.
The last question, 66 over What is the last question?
I don't know.
66 over 22. It's with the minus sign. I said don't bother the minus sign first. 66 and 22. Okay, 22 threes are. Okay. There is nothing point here. How is it possible? 60 over, it's not 66, it's 60. That's what I was saying. I'm something wrong here. 60 over 22. So 22 twos are 44 because 22 threes are 66. Now point and 0. 22 8, let me try. It becomes big. 22 7, 154. So it is 154 6. Okay, with this I put one more. 22 twos are, because threes are 66. 44. Again I will get same thing, and this is something repeating actually, girls. So this is also a rational number with repeating decimal.